Hello guys, this is Dave from Orchids Fynbos, and today I want to show you an unboxing. So I bought a few orchids from Plantae. They had an open day special going on, and so yeah, I launched in and bought some orchids. So I think I've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, I think there's 5 orchids I purchased. But yeah, let's dive into the unboxing. Okay, the first one I want to show to you is the Dendrobium helix. So this one is a beautiful dendrobium that has these twirls at the top of the on the I think it's the sepals of the flower. This I think is what we also call the antelope type of dendrobium. So yeah, I was quite excited to see this one on the website, and I'm quite excited to have it in my collection. Okay, the next one that I want to show you is the Epidendrum wallisii. This also has quite a few, has really pretty blooms. I will put an insert of what the blooms look like. I did get a few more Epidendrums that I'll go through with you, but I've really been liking some of the Epidendrum styles and things like that, so I've been looking at some of the species types of Epidendrums that are out there, and I really like the blooms on this one. Okay, this is a beautiful baby. It's the Dendrobium usate red coral, and look at the canes on this one. Very plump, very happy. Again, I'll insert a picture of this. It has beautiful orange blooms, and I had this one on my wish list for a while. I was waiting for the right time to purchase this one, and yes, very, very happy that I have this one. Okay, this is the Dendrobium stamfordianum. The Epidendrum stamfordianum. This is a very, very beautiful epidendrum. Again, I'll put images of the blooms in the shot for you. This is the Galaxy clone. So yeah, again, very happy to get this one. I'm just curious, are there any? No flower spikes, but yeah, very, very happy to get this one. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a video of the epidendrums I have in my collection. I've got a few species types that I can show you guys, and yeah, let me know if you're interested. Okay, so before I unwrap this one, this is one I'm quite excited to show you. It is a, how do I pronounce it? Microcoelia exilis. The correct pronunciation is Microcoelia exilis. It is an interesting orchid, I'll tell you that. And yeah, I'm going to unwrap it and then I'm going to show you what's inside. And I think this one may be in bud or in bloom. Okay, so she is in bloom. I'm going to bring it closer so you guys can see. Is it focusing? Okay, so this is the Microcoelia exilis. It's a leafless orchid. It never produces leaves. And yeah, it's roots and flowers. I was quite excited to get this one. Very different for me. I don't usually get strange and interesting orchids, but this one was really, really cool. I will try and get a another image, close-up image of the flowers. I can see pea petals and sepals and everything. They are very tiny. I'll try and use the micro lens to insert an image of the flowers for you guys. Okay, then let me just stick it over there. And then the last thing I got is a book on Paphiopedilum culture. So yeah, I saw this on the website, and I have a few Paphiopedilums. So yeah, I want to read up a bit on how to care for them better. It's quite an interesting guide, I've heard. Yeah, so that was the other item I purchased. So that was it for the order. There is one other thing I want to show you, which I actually got yesterday. I was pretty excited about. You can see it in the corner over here. I'm just going to bring it forward. This little baby is the Monstera and adansonii. This has been on my wish list for almost forever. I've been struggling to find it anywhere locally. And I mean, to import these things, you're going to pay an arm and a leg, at least here in South Africa. But I managed to find it in the grocery store yesterday. Walked past the table and there they were standing. So I'm really excited about this. This little Monstera obviously can creep and climb, so it has these beautiful leaves. Some of them are crinkled because a lot of them are new, but you can see over there the texture in the leaf and the holes in the leaf and everything. So yeah, pretty excited about this. I do need to repot it because that is not the ideal medium for this plant. It needs to go into a proper pot with aeration and also media. But yeah, so that's everything for today. So thank you for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed these videos, and if you want to see more of my content, hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and yeah, let me know if you have any comments below, and also if you want me to show any other orchids in my collection. There are a few videos I will be releasing at some point soon from the past, from between September to December last year. But yeah, let me know if there's anything else you would like to see. Keep well, keep safe guys, bye.